Howdy, y'all. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm here at the Fairway North Fields, in Frisco, Texas. Man, this is a gorgeous apartment. Gorgeous. This is the 3-bedroom here at the Fairway North Fields. And man, keep in mind, this is just right across the street from the beautiful facilities, the PGA in Frisco, literally right across the street. So you couldn't have a better location. You've got views in this apartment. You got views of the PGA. I mean, how cool is that? Well, this 3-bedroom, this has a huge kitchen, a lot of great entertaining space for guests. This would be awesome. Gorgeous kitchen. I mean, look at the kitchen here, all this white cabinets, best appliances that are here, and just you can really entertain here. And then just when you're ready, just walk across the street over there at the PGA. This actually has a really nice work from home area here too. Little teeny little study area. That's nice. And then you've got this beautiful master that's here. This master bath also has views of the PGA Frisco right over there. So really pretty space. And we walk into the bathroom and it looks like this. So it's just gorgeous. It's got huge dual sinks, 2 mirrors. Everything's nice, and it's so wide. Like, everything's so wide. It's got a beautiful walk-in shower over here that's really big, and then a really nice size walk-in closet that's here too. So love the look and feel. Love everything about this. It's just light, bright, and fun, and the perfect location for PGA golf lovers. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing here, send me a text. If you're in town right now, you can send me a text and request an in-town tour, a live tour. If you're out of town, send me a text and just say, I'd like a virtual tour. That's free to set up for us. We'll take care of that for you. And it'll always be free. And you can see everything that's available that fits your needs here at the Fairway North Fields. So send in either request, use my number below, just text me.